Hello guys! So today I'm going to be doing a first impression review on a Revlon that hairbrush dupe. I'm not too sure what it's called. So the one on Amazon is called One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. It's supposed to be a smooth frizz-free blowout in half the time. So if you want to see that, just keep watching and let's just get right into the video. So I'm just going to get ready real quick before I get into trying it. So I'll just do a quick time lapse and then we'll get into the video. Okay, now that I'm done getting ready, I'm just gonna put hair product in my hair. So right now I'm using Monat products. So I'm using the split-in mender. I don't know what I was saying. I got cut off by a phone call. But yeah, so basically just putting products in my hair. I still haven't opened up the box or anything yet, so it'll be like a first impression review. And then I'm just using a CC cream for my hair just to add moisture and get rid of the frizz. Just put that all over. I don't know why I did my makeup so like glam today, just because I'm staying home. I have nowhere to go. But I thought I'd take this time to expand my horizon of makeup. So I just put a thermal heat protectant just because it is a heat tool. But I've always wanted to try like a blowout, but I can't do it properly like on myself. So I purchased the One Step Hair Dryer and Styler off of Amazon. It was like $30-some, just because I didn't want to spend that much on the Revlon one, not knowing if I would like it or not. I read the reviews on Amazon and like the pictures that people were taking and all that like looked amazing, so I thought might as well give it a shot. Oh cool, so it comes with a 12-month free replacement guarantee. So if by chance it breaks, you can get it replaced within 12 months. The other thing so far, I don't know if the Revlon is like this, it's very bulky. And so it has off, low, middle, and high. And then it just comes with Velcro, so we do that. Okay. So I haven't watched any videos. I'm just gonna back you guys up. I haven't watched any videos about this, so I don't know if I should brush my hair first, but it is a brush with it, so I'm just gonna have it as is and then just section it off. So grab clips, clip this side up, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna split this in half because it is my thicker side because it's parted that way. And we'll work with it. So hey, what am I doing? The first thing I've noticed is the low and the high are similar, and then the middle is like the low. So I don't know. So we'll do middle. done. I was hoping it wouldn't give me that puffiness that usually blow drying gives me. Maybe it's just because I'm not used to the product or how to use it. But I mean, I'm not mad. I'll do the rest and we'll see how it goes. Fast forward this and then talk to you when I'm done either half my head or my full head. I'm just gonna do the finishing touch, which is just a hair oil, again from Magen. It's just the Rejuvenate. I've actually really fell in love with this product. I feel like you guys are cricket, but whatever. So overall, I like the way, like, I don't know. I wanted more of that like voluminous blowout curl, but I think I just need to learn how to use it for that. It did take less time for me to dry it like the blowout method than like with this than with just a normal hair blow dry and brush. But yeah, I'm impressed. I'm for sure gonna keep using it, and hopefully it'll not damage my hair to the point where it can't grow. But yeah. It is kind of heavy, I must add, but I mean, other than that, like, I like it. You want to play? My dog. Hey, what's that? Do you want to try it? Go play with it. He loves this blankie. Let's see if he'll come into the frame. Come here. What's this? What's this? Come here. Here, let's lower. There we go. Blinky? Yeah, you blinky. He's a big suck. So overall review, A+. Like I can't compare it to the Revlon one or any other one, but this one is nice. I've had it on the middle one just because it was blowing cool air and I didn't want to use too much heat. But yeah, I would recommend it if you want it. I'll link it down below, and if you want to purchase it yourself, you can. Yeah. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. So like and comment if you want, subscribe if you want to see more of me and my everyday life. I do more lifestyle vlogging type things. But yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.